Do you know what a portfolio loan is? It's the best kept secret that nobody tells you about. Even if you're a new real estate investor, you absolutely need to know all the details about a portfolio loan. My name is Mercedes Torres. I'm the Turnkey Girl, and I help busy professionals acquire passive income through real estate investing so they can retire even faster. It's not uncommon for me to speak to people and hear that they've maxed out their leverage. In other words, they've maxed out their conventional financing and have no more available spots in their Magic 10 Freddie and Fannie Mac loans. The reality is, there's a secret. The secret is, once you've maxed out your loans, go out and find a portfolio loan. There's a plethora out there. And the clue is, once you've found that loan, you establish a corporation. Could be an LLC, could be an S Corp. This entity will now become the new holding ground of your property. So let's say you own 9 rental properties, not including your primary residence. Take these 9 rental properties, do a cash out refinance out of your personal name into this new entity, the portfolio loan. Once it's in the new entity, you all of a sudden don't own any properties personally. So what does that mean? That means that you are literally able to get another 10 Freddie and Fannie loans available with conventional financing, low interest rates, 20% down, and amazing 30-year terms that will allow you to maximize your leverage. I talk about portfolio loans on the podcast all the time. If you can't tell, I love geeking out on this stuff. It's my favorite. Go to cashflowsavvy.com and download the Frustrated Investor's Guide to Passive Income.